Honestly, so cool. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Part of my 31 days of Halloween. This video is part of my Elements series. This is Mother Nature, Mother Earth, Groot's girlfriend. I was super inspired by this photo right here I found on Google. It was beautiful. I originally was gonna go more cartoony with my earth look, and I saw this and I was like, nope, change the whole idea, and this is what we've got. I'm just obsessed with how I decorated my arm. And I hope you guys do too. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up. Not a pinky, I can't fold my pinky in. Thumbs up if you like it, and if you wanna see how I got it, then just keep on watching. We are starting off with some spirit gum. I am going to be applying some spirit gum to the top side of my forehead, and I have this little piece of cardboard that I made. This is similar to my Groot look from 2016. I think I posted it. I kind of just took a piece of cardboard. You know, spirit gum should not be going in your hair, so if you can avoid just actually avoid it, don't put it in your hair. But that's why I have this piece of cardboard to kind of allow me to create some like volume in the trees and shrubs and moss that we're going to be putting on our face, and just not put them in my hair. So that's why I glue that on, and it's actually pretty sturdy and stays really well. So I'm just applying foundation as normal. I did go a little darker, more orangey on foundation. No blush, just applied tons of bronzer. And then I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette for my shading and for the eyes. Lots of browns, lots of golds. I also used a gold mascara from Lancome on my brow hairs. And we're gonna be going back to some gold later and some highlighter and all that fun stuff. But first, I'm going to take some spirit gum and all of this moss that I just got at Michael's. Tons and tons of different moss, leaves, and like branches, and I'm just going to be gluing all of those all over my face in a couple of different areas. I then jumped over to my highlighter, which is just the lightest shade in the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. It's like the lightest gold shade. I'm then going to pop on some lashes, and then I'm going to add some more gold pigment. This is the gold pigment from Graftobian. It's very light and brown when it's not wet, and then when it's wet like this right here in just a second, you'll see me apply it to my lips, and then I applied it also to my hair and to all the branches and leaves. And you guys, this look is honestly, that's it. It was a really easy, simple look. Just involved lots of branches and leaves and flowers and shrubs and moss and stuff from Michael's. And I hope you guys liked it. Alright guys, that's it for my Mother Nature Earth look. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. As always, make sure to subscribe to me right here and check out all my other videos right here. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for your support throughout this entire month. I truly appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. I hope you like this one, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.